create this look using really less products, and this look itself is very versatile. You can carry it on parties, to wedding functions, anywhere. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. And if you like this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I have told you, it is going to create that look with very less products. So this video is for the beginners. It's all for you guys. Base is going to be really sheer. I'm not going to use any kind of concealer, but yes, if you have got some imperfections on your face or dark circles, so you can use concealer as well. But for this particular look, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 128. I'll be taking just 1.5 pump of the product. Now there's one thing which I will tell you guys is that whenever you're using a beauty blender, you need to be rest assured that some amount of makeup is going to be sold by these. I'm not using even any primer as well. If anybody wants to use primer, you can use it. But yes, before I have put on any kind of makeup or foundation on my face, I have used my go-to moisturizer. So while you're applying your foundation, as we are not using any kind of color corrector or concealer, we need to dab some product on our eyelids and under eyes as well, so that everything looks evened out. So to contour and highlight my face, I have only one product. Inside Duo 2-in-1 stick. Basically, one is a contour shade and one is a highlighter shade. Now you can see I'll be drawing this kind of a line a little bit higher using the back of the sponge. Remember, you can use it. You can use, if you're not using a cream based blush, you can use the normal side as well. But if you're using a cream blush, make sure that you're not blending all of that using the same side of the blender. There's so many sides to the blender, you can choose any one. Now I'll be using the other side of the stick, that is the highlighter side, and I'll be highlighting the highest points on my face. We have applied a lot of cream products, so we need to set this. And for setting the base, I'll be using the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder, and it is in the shade Banana. Now what will I do? I will just dunk into it and take the powder and first in my under eyes. So for blush, I'll be using a blush palette. If you have singles, you can use that as well. I'm using a blush palette by Revolution. I'll be using this shade. For eyeshadow, I'll be using Nika K Makeup palette, and it is in the shade Mocha Mix. Grab any fluffy brush, and using that, I'll be taking this medium shade right here. Now I'll be taking this light brown shadow. I'll put this color on my whole eye. Now taking a medium eyeshadow brush, I'll be taking this shade, and put it on my lower lash line. Now I'll be using Maybelline New York the Colossal Kajal Super Black. be using a smudger brush to smudge the kajal. Now from the Nikake palette, I will be taking this dark brown shade and just set the whole look and smudge it a little more. Now I'll be doing my brows using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil. Now for mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof version of it. For lipstick today, I'll be using the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipsticks and it is in the shade 02 Norfolk. On top of that, to make it even more pinky as I wanted, you can keep it as it is, but I want it to be a little more pinky, so I'll be using the My Glam lip liner and it is in the shade Scarlet. To set this makeup, I'll be using Inside Makeup Essentials 24 Hour Smudge Free Makeup Setting Spray.